Let's play a guessing game. What do you think is this, guys? No, it's not a tamarind candy. Not a chocolate munchkin. But yes, it has chocolate. Wow, it looks soft and chewy. Well, guys, we will share this easy recipe that we kids love it. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope all is well to all of you. Today, we will share this simple and quick recipe to you. We need the following ingredients: chocolate powder, powdered milk, condensed milk. We just separate 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and 1 tablespoon of white sugar for coating. In a bowl, pour condensed milk, then sieve the powdered milk and chocolate powder 2 or 3 times. Guys, the complete list of ingredients is posted at the end of the video. So, watch till the end. Then, mix well. Remember to gradually fold in the milk and chocolate powder so it won't be hard to mix. Mix well until the texture of the mixture will be similar to dough. Guys, this sweet chocolate milk candy is similar to what we call pastillas de leche. We just added chocolate powder for a twist. The result is amazing. So this recipe is called pastillas choco balls, de leche choco balls. It's up to you guys. It is also similar to chocolate truffles, isn't it? Just continue kneading like dough. On a clean surface, drizzle some sugar and powdered milk. We put parchment paper on the surface. Scoop some mixture and form a small ball. Or you can form them in any shape. It looks like chocolate balls. It's time to roll in. Let's add more milk. Just roll like a ball. Just repeat the process. This is our MILO Pastillas balls. Taste test. Sarap. Ito siya, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!